Dream chaser. Let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It would not lead you astray. Rumi. Some shots widen eyes, and some hits go shank. Some relations last longer, and some passions are temporary. Some tongues are meaningless, and some eyes say it all. Some truths fail you and lies become your guiding lighthouse. Some deserts live in hearts, and some flowers wither in gardens. Some sing lonely songs, and some dance in the streets. Some siblings are strangers, and the unknown eyes can capture hearts. Some roads never end, and some destinations follow us. Where there are hills, there are ditches. Not all birds fly, some merely carry decorated wings. Neither all rocks roll nor all waters flow. All laughters don't represent happiness, and all tears don't shed grief. Some roots stay alive in drought, and all trunks don't bloom in spring. Some words have no meaning, and some dreams drag themselves into reality. But some dreams don't. Dreams are a virtual tour of a courtyard between the conscious and subconscious. A corridor between being and not being. A pause between asleep and awake. And a period between bud and bloom. Dreams are the wines of life. I am neither a student of oneirology, nor I am an onologist. Instead, the inebriation of all wines is both addictive and absorbing. Some stop sleeping in pursuit of their dreams and some live only to sleep. Some only walk in our lives to crash our dreams, and some come to teach us how to fulfill them. Dreams are our guides in life, those who understand that go ahead and realize them. Dreams come to us in our sleep, but they are fulfilled when awake. There is no better time to wake up than early in the morning. Early risers usually are great dream chasers. Late sleepers would not count all galaxies since there are more stars in the sky than all grains of sand on Earth. In perspective, we'll never have enough time, but we have our present, our gift. For in the dew of little things the heart finds its morning and is refreshed. Khalil Gibran. Not all wake up to chase their dreams, most only narrate them. I choose the middle path. I am a dreamer, both night and day dreamer. I chase them hard, and I do wake up early in the morning, not only to chase my dreams but to keep the dream of my golf going. I have formed a closer alliance with my health ever since I started making my dream of golf true. And golf itself graces me with great awakening. A golfer always dreams, daydreams to play better tomorrow. Although for some of us that tomorrow seldom comes. Golf is a game where we try to make the impossible possible. The hole is always beyond our sight. It's only by aiming for success do we ever reach our destination. By the time we know, we're already so far ahead. Sometimes we drink the wines of success, and sometimes we are blinded by sour regret. But every failure is a step towards success. Friends, keep dreaming and pursue your dreams wildly. Any game where a man 60 can beat a man 30 ain't no game. Bert Schotten. Credits. Google. Golf quotes. Motivation. Facts. Mystic quotes. By Ahsan Jamil. Golfer, blogger, entrepreneur, author, poet, wanderer, photographer.